Three students are discussing finding a job after graduation.
Hey guys, have you thought about what you want to do after graduation? I've been researching job opportunities, and I'm leaning toward joining a big company. The structured training programs they offer seem really valuable for professional development, not to mention the clear promotion paths. I think starting in a well-established organization could really set the foundation for a successful career.
That's interesting. I've actually been volunteering at a small charity organisation, and I've really enjoyed the experience. For me, success isn't about climbing the corporate ladder or earning a high salary. I find the work meaningful, and the environment is so supportive. I might even consider staying in the non-profit sector after graduation.
Wow, you both already have such clear plans. I'm still figuring things out. To be honest, I'm thinking about staying here to pursue a postgraduate degree. I feel like I have time to explore my options, and further study might help me narrow down what I really want to do.
That's fair, but it's still good to start planning early. Maybe you could try out different jobs or internships while you're studying. That way, you can get a sense of what you enjoy or what you're good at before committing to a specific path.
I agree. Keeping an open mind and gaining diverse experiences can be really helpful. What you do now doesn't have to define your future career. It's more about exploring and learning about yourself. Plus, you might discover unexpected passions along the way.
You've both given me a lot to think about. I think I'll start doing some research tonight and maybe look into part-time work or internships. It's nice to know I don't have to figure this all out alone.
No problem at all. If you need help sifting through internship postings, just let me know. I've got a folder full of resources for different industries, tech, finance, even some creative fields. And hey, if you find something that sparks your interest, we can brainstorm how to tailor your application to stand out.
That's a great offer. I can chime in too. Non-profits have unique application quirks, like emphasizing passion over past experience. I've learned a lot about writing cover letters that connect personal stories to an organization's mission. Plus, if you want to dip a toe into the non-profit world, I can introduce you to the team at my charity. They're always looking for extra help on weekends.
You guys are the best. Having a starting point and people to bounce ideas off of makes this feel way less overwhelming. Let me start with that research tonight, and I'll loop you both in with what I find. Thanks for the advice.
In the discussion, students shared their views on career planning after graduation. The first student focused on joining a big company, as structured training programs, professional development, and clear promotion paths in a well-established organization could lead to a successful career. They also mentioned exploring different jobs and internships with resources available for industries like tech, finance, and creative fields. The second student highlighted volunteering in a charity organization, saying meaningful work, a supportive environment, and the nonprofit sector can provide personal satisfaction. They advised keeping an open mind, gaining diverse experiences, and discovering unexpected passions. They also noted that nonprofits have unique applications, where writing cover letters that connect personal stories to an organization's mission is important. The third student considered pursuing a postgraduate degree to explore options and gain clarity through further study. They plan to do research, look for part-time work, and internships. Overall, the discussion emphasized career planning, practical experiences, and support from peers.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe this channel for more videos.